If you work with diagrams, flyers, mockups, or any kind of visual layout in LibreOffice Draw, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to change the page orientation. Maybe you need a taller portrait page for a simple handout, or maybe you want a wide landscape layout for a presentation style design. Either way, this takes just a few clicks, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a Draw project open, you can use that file. If not, just start a new one from the home screen. On the left side, under Create, click Draw Drawing. This will open a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can work with shapes, text, and layouts. You can also change the orientation in an existing file, so don't worry if you already have something in progress. Once your draw file is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find all the main settings for formatting your page. Click Format. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, and from that list, choose Page Style. This is the section that controls the overall page setup for your draw document, including size, margins, and orientation. After clicking a page style, a settings window will open. In that window, look for the Page tab. This tab contains the layout options for the current page. Inside the Page tab, you'll see an option labeled Orientation. This is the setting you need to change depending on the style of document you want to create. If you want the page to be vertical, select Portrait. If you want a wider layout, select Landscape. Portrait is usually better for documents that have more text or need a standard page layout, while Landscape is great for charts, wide diagrams, posters, and visual content that needs extra horizontal space. So choose the one that fits your project best. After selecting the orientation, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice Draw will immediately update the page orientation for your document. You should now see the page switch to either portrait or landscape, depending on what you selected. If your content was already on the page, you may want to check the layout afterward to make sure everything still looks right, especially if you change from one orientation to the other. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can change the page orientation in LibreOffice Draw and make your document fit the way you want it to. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your final design looks and how easy it is to work with. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick LibreOffice tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.